Good morning, student. Welcome to this video. Student, as you are all aware about that we are learning chapter 6, that is unveiling presentation. So student, in earlier video I already explained you about the inserting audio, inserting video, and now in the today's video, and also I think I explained you about the animation of the entry of the objects in a slide. So students, in today's video we will learn about like how to insert the action buttons in your slide. Like you can also insert the action buttons, like to click on the button and your next slide will come automatically. Okay, it means buttons for next, buttons for previous, and the button for the movie, running movie, playing movie, and button for the sound play. Okay, so you can add these things also in your slide, in your presentation. So let's start with this. Let's start the chapter again, that is chapter 6, that is based on the PowerPoint presentation. So let's start the PowerPoint presentation again. So for opening the PowerPoint presentation, what you have to do? You have to click on the start button. This is the start button. Click on this. Like this type of menu bar, pop-up menu will come in front of you. You have to click on the all programs, and then you have to click on the MS Office. It means Microsoft Office. You can also say Microsoft as MS Office, but it is Microsoft Office. Okay, so click on this, and then there are so many options. You have to choose the correct option, that is Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, as we are learning to 2007. Okay, in your syllabus also you are learning 2007. It is similar in other version also. Some features are new, but it is similar. So student, now we are here. We are open with that new presentation. So here I will show you how to insert action button. So first of all, let's open the existing presentation that I already made, that is based on the science. So let me show you that one, and in that slide we will insert some action button for the previous slide. Okay, so let's open this. How to open an existing presentation? First of all, you have to click on the office button, right? And click on the office button, and then you have to choose the option open. When you will click on the open, then an open dialog box will open in front of you. The open dialog box, you can see this is open dialog box. Now here you have to select your file in a drive. You have to locate your file. So here my file is in a USB like F drive. So I will click on the F drive, and then I will search for my file. So I know about my file. It is in Preeti folder. It is in term 2 science, like it is a science presentation. So I'm showing you a practical in this only. Okay, so let me explain you. So first of all, we will learn how to insert next button and the previous button. Okay, so for example, this is a slide number 2. I will insert the both button in this, and this is a slide number 1. I can insert the next button in. Okay, so how to insert next button? Let me show you. From where you have to click on the insert tab. Can you see this? This is visible to all or not? This is insert button. So here you have to click on the insert button. Now you have to click where? In the shapes. This is the option in illustration group. Where? Beta, in your worksheet, I will give you a question like this. Those I am explaining in a practical. So that's why I am giving you each and every words. It means I am commenting on each and every words, because I want the answer of these questions. So if I'll ask you like where is the shapes button in the insert menu, So you have to give answer like in illustration group, right? Where in which group it is? It is in a illustration group. Okay, so you have to select the shapes. You have to click on the drop down menu where you will get so many options. So there you have to go and down. Can you see this? These are the action buttons. So for example, I am selecting this one. Okay, so I will place this button here. Okay, because it is a first slide, so only next button is required here. So let's have a look in the next slide. So I will click on the next slide. Now here I will again go to insert tab, and in the shapes option and in the action options I have to select the previous button. I will place here. Okay, it will run on the mouse click. Now the next one is I have to select which one. This is a next button. Okay, so next button I will place here. Okay, so can you see these buttons, these both buttons? Okay, so let's take in practical of this. Let's check out, is it working or not? So let's play it in a slideshow from the beginning. Can you see this? Now if I will click on this button, a next slide will come. So it's so good and so helpful for us. For going on previous slide, I will click on this button. It's very easy. See this? Now your first slide comes, right? And I will click on this. The next slide will come. I think you all understand this. It is very easy, na? Right? So let's learn something more. Now you also can have a button for the playing of movie and playing of video. So for this, let's enter one video first. एक video हम enter करते हैं, right? And then we will check out, is it working or not? Okay. So first of all for home, first of all I'm like inserting a one slide, and then I will I will add one video like this one video of my son. Okay, when clicked, okay, fine. So can you see this? I'm placing the video. Okay, student, I'm placing a video here. So this video will run when action button will work. So for inserting action button, let's have a look. Let's insert the action button also. From insert, and then you will click on the illustration group in the shape option, and you have to go down, and then you have to select that video option. Video option should be there. Okay, this one. I think this one is the video option. Let's have a name of this. Yes, this is the action button for movie. Okay. Now I will place it here. Okay, so I placed it. Let's take a preview of this. So I will go for a slideshow for the current slide. Okay, or let me see. It will play when this button will be played. Oh, why it is not playing? Wait a minute. Let me see it again. So student, see this. This is a movie button. It means a movie action button. So let's play this from a current slide, and I will click on this. See, now this is running. Okay, so this movie button, when clicked, it will run. Okay, this is my child is playing. Okay, Fine. So you learned about the action button, and about the sound, it is already there. The button is already there for sound. When we insert the sound, then button will be display automatically. Okay, button will display automatically. That I shown you in a laptop, because this is a desktop computer, so that's why it is not audible here. But in laptop computer, I already shown you in the previous video that how to insert a sound, right? And sound is also played there, I shown you, I think, a telephone ring and one more clapping sound, right? So the button is there only for the sound, and you can also insert your own button also from there. This is also similar. That is similar. This is a similar thing, right? You can either insert from there or either insert from other, right? Even in a movie you can place a button, right? So when you click on this button, the sound will come. Okay, so this is a similar button as in the inserting of sound. Okay, student, so this is how you have to insert sound. Now let's have a look on the COVID appropriate behavior. Students, you have to be aware about going out, because you know that the pandemic is not gone, like COVID-19 is not gone. Abhi बीमारी गई नहीं है. You have to be careful about it, and you have to wear mask. आपको मास्क पहनना है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखनी है. You have to maintain hand hygiene. अपने हाथों का जो hygiene है, it means you have to wash your hand properly, right? At least you have to wash your hand for 20 seconds with the help of soap, right? And you have to wash your hand frequently. Stay at least 6 feet from others, away from the others, and do not touch your face. You have to leave this habit of touching your face. अपने face को touch करने की जो habit है, उसे आपको छोड़नी होगी, right? Like you have to take this habit in your this thing in your habit, that you do not touch your face. And do not share food and drinks with others. और किसी के साथ भी अपना खाना शेयर नहीं करना है, right? Like ग्रुप्स में हैं आप, कहीं भी हैं, तो do not share the food, and कोई भी ड्रिंक को शेयर नहीं करना, because this is a communicable disease. It can be communicated from one person to another person, and so because everything is open, because we have to do our life process. हमें अपने लाइफ की जो प्रोसेस है वो तो करना ही है, राइट? अब इतना सारा लॉक हो गया है, लाइक आपका कंट्री इतने टाइम तक आपका बंद रहा, सारी जो प्रोसेस है वो स्टॉप हो रखी थी, राइट? सो नाउ यू हैव टू गो फॉर योर लाइफ प्रोसेस. सो what you have to do? We have to fight against the COVID-19, definitely. But how? By taking care of ourselves. अपनी खुद की केयर करनी है, then you can fight with this disease. So thank you, student. Keep doing your work, right? Wash your hand, maintain social distancing, maintain your hand hygiene, and do your work properly and submit it properly. And beta, do not submit what I am writing. मैंने अगर लिखा है कि right answer आफ्टर वॉचिंग द वीडियो, तो कुछ बच्चे वही आंसर लिख दे रहे. अरे वाह, व्हाट इज दिस? आपको मैंने ये कहा है कि आपको ये वीडियो को देख के आंसर लिखना है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि जो मैंने लिखा है आपको वही उतार देना है. डू नॉट कॉपी लाइक दिस ना. आर यू नॉट अ किड? आप बच्चे, बिल्कुल बच्चे तो नहीं है कि जो मैम ने लिखा है आप वही लिख देंगे. आपको अगर बोला गया है कि वीडियो को देखो फिर आंसर दो, इट मीन्स वीडियो में आंसर छुपा है. You have to watch the video properly, and then you have to give answer accordingly. I will not give answer for those questions. अगर मैं एक बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चंस के लिए मैं आपको आंसर दे रही हूँ, तो इट डजेंट मीन आपको द शॉर्ट आंसर्स, कुछ छोटे छोटे आंसर्स जो आपके लॉजिक बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं, उनको अगर मैं आपको लिखने को कह रही हूँ वीडियो देख के, तो इट मीन्स यू हैव टू डू. आई विल नॉट गिव आंसर फॉर दैट. And these types of questions are coming in exams also. You are mental based, and so many students are doing so well. So I am too happy with these. But some children are there, only few children are there, those who are doing like this. So be aware, beta. You have to do it in a proper manner. Okay, I don't want this type of worksheet again, like answer sheet again. That's it means you're writing, you're copying the same answer that I am giving you. It means same statement I am giving you. स्टेटमेंट ये है कि आप वीडियो को देखो और फिर आंसर लिखो, उसका मतलब आंसर नहीं है. इट डजंट मीन द आंसर, राइट? सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट. You have to follow the instructions, and I will continue with this chapter some extra questions. Okay, some extra facts, some extra questions.